Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Here, we dive into the latest vehicle releases, give you in-depth reviews, and break down the essential specs and features that matter most to car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Today, we're looking at one of the most anticipated full-size SUVs in the market, the 2026 Chevy Tahoe. As a long-standing staple in the SUV category, the Tahoe continues to evolve with each generation, and the 2026 model promises to deliver a blend of power, comfort, technology, and utility that stands out in a crowded field. The 2026 Chevy Tahoe brings a bold new design while maintaining its classic full-size SUV proportions. With a more chiseled exterior and aerodynamic touches, this SUV boasts an aggressive front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a refreshed grille that varies depending on the trim level. The overall presence of the vehicle exudes strength and luxury, giving it a commanding road stance that will appeal to both traditional Tahoe fans and new buyers alike. Larger wheels and new color options enhance its aesthetic appeal, making sure it stays relevant against newer rivals. Inside the cabin, the Tahoe continues its tradition of spaciousness and versatility. With seating configurations that accommodate up to 8 passengers, the interior sees major upgrades in materials and layout. Premium trims feature perforated leather, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. The dashboard has been redesigned to include a larger, floating infotainment screen and a fully digital driver display. Rear seat passengers also get entertainment options with dual screens and updated connectivity ports. Third row space remains generous, a hallmark of the Tahoe, ensuring long road trips remain comfortable for everyone on board. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Tahoe doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet introduces an upgraded infotainment system that is more intuitive and faster, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and voice control enhancements. Wi-Fi hotspot capability, wireless charging, and an advanced Bose audio system make every journey enjoyable. The Tahoe also now features over-the-air software updates, keeping your system current without visiting a dealership. Under the hood, the 2026 Tahoe offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of needs. The base engine is a refined 5.3-liter V8 that balances performance and efficiency. For those looking for more power, the 6.2-liter V8 engine returns with improvements in fuel economy and torque delivery. Additionally, Chevrolet introduces a new hybrid-assisted version that combines a smaller turbocharged engine with electric motors to offer better fuel efficiency without compromising capability. A diesel option is also expected to return, targeting long-distance drivers who prioritize torque and mileage. All engines are paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures seamless gear changes and improved fuel efficiency. The 2026 model continues to offer both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations. With an improved suspension setup and the available magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension, the Tahoe delivers a smooth ride regardless of road conditions. These systems adjust in real time to road surfaces and driving behavior, making highway cruising and off-road trails equally manageable. Towing capacity remains a key selling point for the Tahoe, with ratings of over 8,000 pounds depending on the configuration. This makes it an ideal choice for those who need to haul trailers, boats, or heavy gear regularly. In terms of safety, the 2026 Tahoe is loaded with advanced driver assistance systems. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and pedestrian detection. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and a head-up display. Chevrolet has placed a strong emphasis on family safety, ensuring that every drive in the Tahoe is as secure as it is enjoyable. Chevrolet also steps up its game in terms of customization. The 2026 Tahoe comes in several trims, each catering to a specific set of needs. The LS and LT trims focus on value and essential features. The RST trim adds sporty visual upgrades and unique styling elements. The Z71 is built for off-road performance, featuring skid plates, tow hooks, and all-terrain tires. The Premier and High Country trims emphasize luxury, offering high-end materials, tech, and comfort-focused enhancements that compete with luxury brands. Another notable feature is the redesigned cargo area. With all seats in use, the Tahoe still provides decent storage, and with the third row seats folded, the space expands significantly. The power folding rear seats make switching between passenger and cargo modes incredibly convenient. The load floor is flat and low, simplifying loading and unloading bulky items. In the competitive full-size SUV segment, the 2026 Chevy Tahoe manages to stay ahead by delivering on every front: design, power, technology, and safety. Whether you need a reliable family hauler, a comfortable long-distance cruiser, or a rugged vehicle ready for outdoor adventures, the new Tahoe offers a configuration that meets your needs. Motors Sports Mania will continue to bring you the latest updates and hands-on reviews of the most exciting vehicles in the market. We're committed to helping you make informed decisions about your next ride. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment to share your thoughts about the 2026 Chevy Tahoe, and most importantly, subscribe to Motors Sports Mania for more automotive content that puts you in the driver's seat.